Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials: an active Azure subscription and billing ready. Once done, install the Azure CLI and authenticate with Az login. Next, make sure to set your default subscription using Az account set with the subscription ID so commands target the right tenant. Then create a resource group with Az group, create, and pick a region that supports the services you need. Doing this first organizes resources and prevents later permission and quota surprises. You now deploy the platform components. Provision a VNet with subnets and NSG rules because network segmentation controls traffic flow and security. Once that's in place, deploy compute like VMs or AKS clusters. Choose VM sizes, supply SSH keys, or use a service principal for automated pipelines. After compute, attach storage accounts and managed disks for persistence, and assign managed identities so services authenticate without embedded secrets. You wrap up by enabling monitoring and alerts so you can react quickly. Connect resources to a log analytics workspace and define threshold alerts for CPU, errors, and latency. Then tighten access. Apply RBAC roles, conditional access where needed, and move secrets into Key Vault to avoid hard-coded credentials. Finally, run integration tests, validate backups, and configure auto-scale and recovery policies. If something fails, check activity logs and NSG rules first. Incorrect network rules are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.